We are a professional service that is primarily focused on financial technology. Established in 2013, Future Talent is focused on empowering Africa's youth. We find talent across South Africa that has had the right attitude, aptitude and desire to succeed. Financial technology is a blend between finance as well as technology, particularly in the banking space, where banks are run by efficiency, and with that being said, technology is the primary way to how they accomplish their efficiency. However, people are also important in the banking space because people pretty much manage the technology behind it. This is why we sourced candidates who are capable of actually implementing these projects. We actually have the right attitude to maintain this technology across South Africa.
I ensure that we get clients and I ensure that we get business for the organization to stay running. I joined Future Talent over a year ago, and I was introduced to the company through somebody called Michael Roberts, who was my mentor when I was in university. Coming out of university, you always seek a job, but in essence, very few people seek a career, and Future Talent has in essence opened that to me. And as much as we are a business and we have the business objectives to meet, there's a huge social element to it. And waking up every day knowing that you're making a difference, regardless of how small it is, I think that spreads it beyond simply being a business.
I'm 23 years old. I just completed my chemical engineering degree, and I'm part of the graduate program. So right now we've completed our soft skills training, we're in the middle of doing finance and economics training, and we're doing technical skills as well. It's an amazing experience. I love the fact that we get to interact with all of the other graduates who all come from different backgrounds. So I've learned lots about those people. I've made a lot of new friends.
The fact that we take somebody who's straight out of university, who might not know exactly or how to get into the corporate world, to upskill them and actually see them exceed their peers and see them come from a situation where they were, a little down in life, where they felt like where they were, that was the capacity they had, and that was their ceiling, and see them exceed their expectations and exceed their family's expectations. I think changing lives in that sense, that has really opened my eyes beyond, us being, profitable business or us doing well from a revenue basis. The impact it has, the social impact that it has, I think that's been eye-opening, to say the least.
Kind of break away the whole thinking in the box type of thing of which many graduates have when they come into the working place. We still think the way we thought at school. So when we get here, the box is broken and we're able to just, we're given the liberty rather to think much wider than we are used to. So for me that was liberation, and it was great because I didn't know how to go about it.
I'm here consulting at Standard Bank for Future Talent, Client Services. So basically what we do at Client Services is that we support the Standard Bank e-market trader platform, where clients actually use the platform to trade with Standard Bank. So normally basically what we do, we are like the face of the bank. So whatever issues that the clients have with the platform, we are the first people that they come and talk to.
I work in a project called CVA. And CVA stands for Credit Value Adjustment. So what we do is price derivatives accounting for the fact that your counterparty might default.
The most really is the energy in this place. There's such passion and such drive to reach your goals, and there's such belief in the potential of young candidates and the youth of South Africa. So that a type of energy and that attitude is kind of infectious. So I've embodied that attitude as well. So I'm really enjoying the experience.